Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe at home and you are utilizing this lockdown period and studying hard. Let us start this class with few questions. Now tell me, what are these? Yes, you are right. These are waste materials. Have you ever thought of utilizing these waste materials? Now tell me, what are these? Yes, these are vegetable scraps. Have you ever thought of utilizing these vegetable scraps? The story which we are going to start is all about the utilization of waste materials. Means to find out best out of waste. That's what the name of our chapter, Wonderful Waste, means to make best out of waste. Now I will show you some things which Oren has prepared during this lockdown period. Some games, some craft work from waste materials. I would like to call her and explain you the things which she has prepared.
Hello everyone, my name is Oren Das. I study in class 4B. Today I am going to tell you my craft works that I made from waste materials. Okay, so these are my games and I made from these cardboard boxes. This is my
these are the secret drawers.
This is my secret drawers. So I show you my games that I made from cardboards.
This is the TV.
You
see the beautiful drawing which she has drawn.
Okay.
She has made the remote also. See?
Remote.
She sometimes remove the screen and get inside the TV.
And you want to see the TV, but you cannot see the TV. You can play with this.
Craft work. It's only the craft work.
So, and this is my goal finish game. Okay. One player takes the ball into the circle in the hole, and one protect for the hole. Okay. So this game needs 2 players like this. I put it into the hole, the ball, and my mom, she cannot protect the ball. Okay. This is the
so I lose the game.
Okay. This is the photo paper game. Like this. Sorry. Like this, okay? And this is my shake game. Like this, slowly. We shake this slowly. Okay?
She has made one guitar also.
Guitar. We cannot play, but we can play. Okay? This is the guitar. And
this is the spinner.
That how can we look like? We spin this circle. Dora's head inside the mermaid, so I look like a mermaid. Okay?
And see what thing she has been. She used this lickable cap,
block,
this cardboard, and the picture of Dora.
This is the scale game. We put the dice like this. Number 2. So we go into the number 2. Now number 5. Then we go number 5. So like this we go into the number, and who will the winner that she choose. Okay, so these are my games, and this is last, my first game. This is my video game, and this is my
the washing machine.
we can keep the toys inside also.
It's actually the toy box, not the real washing machine, but she has made it the toy box to keep all the toys inside it.
Yes. So these are my games. Thank you.
So children, I hope you enjoyed the display of the craft work made by Oren. She has made so many craft works. Like her, you can also utilize this lockdown period and you can make something best out of waste. Wonderful waste. This is the name of our new chapter. This story is all about the origin of the traditional dish of Kerala named Avial. The dish Avial came from the basket of waste. Avial is an Indian dish with origin in the Kerala region. Its name means to be cooked, and it all came from a basket of waste. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, the Maharaja entered the kitchen and saw the vegetable scraps. His cook was going to throw those vegetable scraps, but Maharaja wanted to utilize those vegetable scraps. So he ordered to find a way to use those vegetable scraps. The cook was in a fix, and suddenly an idea came to his mind. He made a dish and decorated it with curry leaves. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought the name and named the dish Avial. Now children, we have seen that waste can be quite useful. Now we will find out for ourselves from this story. Your Didiji is requesting you to repeat the lines after me. We are going to read this chapter. We have already understood the summary of the chapter, that the king of Travancore ordered the cook to use the vegetable scraps, and finally he made a new dish named Avial, which is the traditional dish of Kerala. Now we are going to read this chapter. You have to repeat after me. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. "What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps?" he asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." "You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them," the Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now, he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. Whenever we will go to Kerala, we will definitely taste Avial. After this lockdown period, if we will go to Kerala for holidays, for spending some time over there, then definitely we will taste the dish Avial, and we will try to utilize the vegetable scraps at our home also. We will tell our mother and elders to utilize the vegetable scraps instead of throwing them out. So in this chapter we have seen some new phrases. The first one is in a fix. It means a situation hard to escape from. Second one is flash across the mind, means suddenly think of. The third one is lo and behold, means look, what a surprise. And the fourth one, traditional feast. It means hearty meal for many guests served on a special occasion. So this is the end of the chapter, children. Your Didiji is telling you to go through the video properly, and I am giving you one text document attached with this video, and I am telling you to read the chapter properly, and you will underline the difficult words and you will note down in your copy, and you will try to find out the meaning, and finally you will match your meaning with the meanings which we will give you. Thank you.